The float is named Yoya, derived from an ancient term meaning the city that binds earth and sky through compassion and wisdom. The float rises on quantum levitation platforms. Nano-glass canopy roofs shift color and generate clean energy, while holographic wind curves display weather data and guide aerial traffic in this Thai future. Floating temples glide through the sky, connected by photonic energy bridges that shift intelligently. Lotus hologram biolamps purify the air as citizens walk safely across gravity-stabilized platforms, a serene vision of the Thai future. A holographic Kanak emblem spins in midair, acting as the city's living data core. Photonic dust responds with shimmering light, creating a blend of sacred Thai artistry and futuristic technology. Sira, the weaver of time, standing between her world and the coming collapse. Her power is the final balance holding the universe together.
I am Sira, guardian of time, protector of Yoya.
Sira ends on the high terrace of a neo-tech Thai temple. Sunlight glows through chronoglass beams that stabilize time, while floating light motes balance the city's atmosphere. A quiet, sacred moment. The heart atmospheric cleanser. A smart system using light and sound waves to purify pollution, restoring citywide air balance for a healthier life for all. In ancient data temple, Sira is scanned by swirling glyphs as a dimensional portal opens, and Sorin emerges, declaring her the balance bearer and granting the chrono fruit's awakening power. Sorin, the celestial child of light, a being who sees through time, guiding Sira and connecting every living soul across the universe.
I'm here to help protect the light forever!
See a terrifying vision, Deral, the dark sovereign, tearing Yoya apart. Temples collapse, the sky shatters, and she realizes the disaster is inevitable and approaching fast. Floating city when a sudden white flash sweeps across and everyone freezes midair, as if time itself has been locked. Every movement and gesture halts in perfect stillness.
The rift awakens. It is opening.
Deral, once a guardian, now consumed by darkness. His power bends the laws of time itself as he seeks to remake the world in the image of his own truth.
Light will bow before my shadow.
The city is torn by a rising dark gravity, bending temples and futuristic tie structures as if time itself is breaking apart. Platforms split open, streets twist toward the void, and entire districts collapse into a growing shadow sinkhole, an unstoppable descent into the dark dimension. City, Sira rises, radiating pure light against Deral's encroaching darkness. Light and shadow collide in midair, sending shockwaves across the grand terrace. The battle between these opposing forces begins, and the fate of the entire city now hangs on this single clash. Sira and Sorin unite their pure energies, releasing compassion across the entire cosmos. The radiant light overwhelms Deral's darkness, breaking the dark sovereign apart. His shadowy form shatters into dust midair, dissolving, completely ending his existence forever. Anew restores the Yoya floating city. Structures revive, colors return, and hope rises as its people smile once more, beginning a bright new chapter.
Thank you, people of Yoya, for standing together. From this day forward, we will build a brighter tomorrow, side by side.